Hello, my name is Kyle Hainan, and today I will be talking about flow visualization. Specifically, I will be talking about pathlines, streamlines, and streaklines. First up, we have pathlines. The pathline is the path of one particle as it flows from one point to another. So in this image depicted here, you can see that this particle here will start here, and it will move along the path line throughout time, and it will stay on that path line. Next up, we have streamlines. The streamline is the line that is tangent to the velocity field. So, in this image here, the red lines are the velocity vectors within that velocity field. The blue line is the streamline. Now, the blue line, you can see in this image, it will stay tangential at each of these velocity vectors. So it'll follow the velocity field and stay tangential with it. Finally, we have streaklines. The streakline is a line made up of multiple particles that came from a previous common point. Now this will look exactly the same as the path line when in steady state. Important note, the streamline, streakline, and pathline are all the same in steady flow. They look exactly the same. Now, in unsteady flow, back to streamlines. Let's say that at t equals 0 seconds, this is the streamline. This is what the streamline looks like. The velocity vectors are these red lines at that specific time. Now, at a certain time later, the velocity field will change, which will change the streamline, and so on. At t equals 10, it changes again to this line here. Keep in mind that these three lines are all at different times. So you will not see this at the same time. At t equals 0, you'll see this line. At t equals 5, you'll see this line. Now, for path lines and streak lines, you can see in this video what the path line and streak line will look in unsteady flow. Notice how they're different now. So if the flow is steady, let's say for this red particle, the flow is steady, the path line and streak line would look exactly the same. Now, because it's not steady flow, the path line for this red particle is just this red line. Now, the streak line is made up of multiple particles. So it will be this line here, because it is made up of the yellow, 2 blue, and red particle. That is the streak line.